right, we need to get these unloaded first, but we need to sort them and count them.
You want me to put them right here so you can...
Can you put them in the trailer right there?
Those are full clean.
They're nice blankets. Are these all full clean?
Full.
Loading up the trailer. We still have our trailer in the back. Craig's hooking up now to unload. Oh goodness. And we still have our entire living room covered. So this is just half of the living room and the RAV4 that was unloaded. So we still have a ways to go. We're gonna fill this U-Haul up, but we're keeping count, so I will let you guys know the total number of blankets that were collected at the end of the video. So be sure to stay tuned and keep watching. This is incredible. I'm so grateful, so grateful for the giving hearts of everyone that decided to pitch in and donate a blanket to this cause. We are headed out to Erwin, Tennessee at 4 a.m. Now we've got to unload trailer number 2.
Full queen. Full queen.
Just a few more left. We will be full. Where are we going?
Buc-ee's. Almost Buc-ee's.
6:22, 6:23. Still dark out. And we're at Buc-ee's. And I am struggling.
Look at that man. It's chilly.
I told you. Look at this. It's like 42 degrees and you're in shorts.
Got our snacks.
Are you fueled and ready for the trip now?
Yeah.
We still have like 2.5 hours.
It's not too bad. It's not a bad drive.
We're almost there.
Yeah, oh, that's pretty.
We have like 13 miles to go. Oh yeah, look at the mountains. It's really pretty in East Tennessee right now. We are in Unicoi County, Tennessee. made it.
We got about 13 minutes.
Happy birthday, sweet boy. Today is Nash's 9th birthday.
Happy birthday, baby.
Bless his heart, he's stuck in a car. We'll have to go stop at a park or something and run for a little bit. Find a dog treat.
Your destination is on the left.
Tennessee, and we are at Unicoi Care and Share. These are all full clean. Alright, so I'm here with Ben, the Executive Director of Unicoi Care and Share, right?
Unicoi County Care and Share Ministry.
Alright, tell us a little bit about what you guys do.
So we are a Christian benevolence ministry, and our mission is to love God, love our neighbors, and we do that through providing free food, free clothing, bedding, hygiene products. We do utility bill assistance. We refer people to other resources in the community, and we offer spiritual counseling.
Awesome. So how's it been since the flood?
Well, it's been chaotic, as you can probably imagine. Obviously, you know, our normal work is helping people in need, and so obviously it just expanded in scope. More people in need, more needs, regular needs, right? People are going through hygiene products, going through food, right? And so having to regularly supply the same families, but also supply new families is going to be a challenge.
What's been the biggest need that you've seen since the hurricane?
Keeping warm, right? It happened right at the time that things started getting cold, so jackets, blankets, heaters, all those kinds of things. So the bedding that you guys just brought is perfect.
Awesome. Good, yeah. So ended up with 565 blankets here in Unicoi County. Am I saying that correct? Unicoi, okay. I think I was saying Unicoi. Unicoi County, Tennessee, and these will get distributed out to the people here in need, and we are so thankful for you guys and the ministry that you're doing and being able to help others. And one thing I do want to mention, if I know several have reached out to us asking, like, how do you get involved? How do you help? I'm going to put some links in the description below where you can donate, where you can sign up to be a volunteer and help and different things like that.
We're not taking clothing donations right now, but things like bedding and warm winter coats are perfect.
Awesome. Well, thank you again for allowing us to come in and bring the donations that folks collected for you all. Again, I'm going to put the link to where you can donate for the Care and Share here in our description box below. So be sure to give them a like and follow you guys on social media.
Yeah, absolutely. Facebook, Instagram.
Is it like at Care and Share or?
Yeah, so it's Unicoi County Care and Share for both Facebook and Instagram.
Awesome. All right, guys. Follow the work that they're doing. It's such a blessing to so many. 565 blankets. I absolutely cannot believe it. My heart is so full. We are so thankful to all of you that donated. These blankets, I know, were so beneficial to these folks during the winter months. After we left Unicoi Care and Share, Miss Ann, who was the one that invited us over and put us in touch with the Care and Share program, gave us a tour around the city. She actually worked at the hospital that so many saw on the news where everyone was standing on the rooftop. That happened in Erwin, Tennessee. Even though it was several weeks after the hurricane, it looked like a war zone. I can't describe to you the amount of devastation in this one small area. We officially dropped the blankets off and we are headed back to Nashville.
Back to Nashville. We gotta drop off the U-Haul.
I'm bouncing. Sorry. The camera's like going crazy here. Yeah, we got to get the U-Haul back, so we got to celebrate Nash's birthday. Maybe an afternoon trip to the dog park.
Yeah, but it like that.
Thank you guys so much for donating blankets for the cause. Our blankets for Blue Ridge Drive was a huge success. We ended up with 565 blankets delivered to the Unicoi County Care and Share. It's going to be such a blessing. As we were there were people already coming in grabbing blankets. So I know it's going to be a great blessing for so many. So thank you again. We love you guys. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.